Say hello, everybody. Okay, Adrian, are we having breakfast? Yum yums?
Yes.
And what are we gonna make? French toast.
French toast.
French toast.
This
Yeah.
is French toast.
Yes, we're gonna need an egg.
This and this.
Which one? And some cinnamon sugar. And
this.
some maple maple extract, right? To make it taste yummy.
And this.
Yes, and a fork. And also, we have some raspberries to put on top of the French toast, right? And we're gonna use 2 bread. Can you eat both bread? You think? Okay, fine. All right. So first we have to put the egg in here, okay? And here's your spoon. You have to mix it. Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead and mix it. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of maple extract so that it can smell yummy. You can use vanilla also, right?
Also?
Yeah, you can use vanilla also. And then to make it even a little bit yummier, we're gonna use cinnamon sugar. Cinnamon sugar.
And this and this and this.
Yes. And of course, this one's not open yet, so we have to open it still. There you go. Okay, so keep mixing. Cinnamon sugar. And we'll put some on top of it while we're making it and cooking it, right? Milk? Okay, mix it.
That's okay. That's okay. This is nice. That's
Yep,
okay.
keep mixing. Nice.
That's okay.
Should we make Mama some? Okay.
This is for baby. This is for mama.
Okay.
And this is for baby. And this is for mama.
Little bit.
Hmm?
Okay.
That's okay, Dada.
Is it okay now?
That's okay,
And
Dada.
then what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically put it on a pan like this, right? We're gonna cook it right in the pan here. So let's see when we're ready.
Okay.
Almost done, and we're gonna use a little bit of butter
I need this.
and this.
This. Need this. What?
Okay, let's see if the pan is ready. Let's put some butter.
This. Left. Okay. Okay, got it.
Oh, here. And we're gonna put cheese on top of it. Should we put cheese?
Cheese.
Okay. So we're gonna spray a little bit of butter
Yes.
spray on the pan. Okay.
That's not okay. That's not okay. Oh, that's okay.
There you go. Now I can help you so it doesn't spill. Okay. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna dip this inside the egg, right? Okay. That will dip it for you. Okay. Make sure that you get a good dip on each side to make sure that it's gonna be yummy French toast. Look at that. Yeah?
Yes, okay. No,
Look at that. And then
this is for mama. This is for baby.
we're gonna basically put it right.
I can put it right there, and I open. This and this.
We're gonna have some raspberries,
Raspberries.
right?
Open it, Dada.
Okay, let's open your raspberries. Okay, you're gonna put some raspberries in there. Get a few in there. No, put in the side here. There you go. Okay, how many do we want? Let's see what else we have, okay? Ooh,
That's okay. I can down.
And also, we're gonna put some.
I cannot close it.
You need more.
I need more.
Yeah.
Oh, I need more.
Yeah, and how about blueberries?
How about I need blueberries?
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
There you go. Keep going. Maybe one more raspberry, right? Is that enough?
That's enough.
Okay, and oh, we have more blueberries. You need more.
Oh, I need more.
Yeah, blueberries are yummy. Okay.
It done. This is blueberries.
Okay,
It
done.
was-
You want more or no more?
No.
Okay.
I need someone.
You need some more? Okay, you can open it. There you go. All right, let's check on our French toast. Let's see. Is it almost done?
Yes, almost done.
Let's check. You have to check. You have to go like this. Look, Adrian. You have to check underneath. Nope, not yet. It's still softies. So let's fix your plate. And then what else are you having with your
I need some more. And
Can you taste it? Is it yummy?
yes, okay.
I taste it.
Let me try this one.
Okay. Okay.
Let me try this. Let me try this, Tata.
Okay. Okay, so let's check our. You want mango juice?
I like mango juice.
Okay, we're gonna have mango juice with your food. So you can have.
I like this mango juice.
You're gonna have yummy breakfast.
Let me try this one.
Oh my goodness, you are gonna finish the blueberries before you even start eating your French toast. Oh, it looks yummy in there.
I leave some lemon and I did not eat it.
Okay, good. So let's check our French toast again, yeah?
Tata? Let me take under it. Let me
Nope, not
take
yet.
under it.
Let's check underneath it. Hold on. I will check.
Let me try.
Let's try.
I try baby blueberry. It's so yummy, baby.
Baby blueberries are so yummy.
And big blueberry is yummy.
Oh, okay.
Let me try.
Oh my goodness, look at that. French toast is getting yummy. Okay. Look at that. It's getting really ready almost.
And I can leave this one. Blueberries.
Okay, so tell me what you have on your plate. What are you going to eat?
Blueberries.
And-
And this and this.
My goodness, you almost finished the blueberries. Do we need to put more?
No.
Are you sure?
I not eat this and I did eat this
Okay.
and this. This
Okay.
and this.
And we need a cup for your mango juice, right?
Mango juice. Let me.
Can you open it?
You can open it.
Okay. Let's see.
Not so much.
There you go.
Not so much.
Okay.
I'll leave it.
Okay. Yummy.
That's yummy.
All right.
I-
Oh,
I-
and we're gonna need syrup.
Syrup.
Yeah, for your French toast. Don't you want syrup for
Let
your
me
French
let
toast?
me fix my pants.
Okay.
Let me fix my pants.
Okay. There you go.
Let me fix my pants.
It's good now.
This,
There you go.
that,
Okay. Let's see
That's
if
good.
your French toast is almost ready.
oh.
Oh, ho, ho. Look at
It's
that.
ready. This is ready.
Look at that. It's almost getting ready.
This is ready.
Not yet.
Oh,
Almost.
okay.
You have to wait to make sure that it's really yummy.
I can put it right there.
And
That's
what are you okay? So what are you having for breakfast today, Adrian?
plantains
And what else?
and eggs.
And what else? What's this?
Blueberries and raspberries.
And what are you having to drink? What kind of juice? Mango juice.
Mango juice.
Mango.
And I And I have syrup.
For your
Plantos.
good job. Okay, flip it. Oh, look at that. Now it's ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on your plate, and we're gonna cut it up. Yeah. Okay.
I'm not cutting it up. This is
Who's gonna cut it up?
Me.
You're gonna cut it
I'm
up.
so silly.
You're so
I'm
silly.
kidding you. I'm not.
You're kidding me?
Yes, I'm kidding you.
Okay.
I'm not talking. Not big.
That will help you cut it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so silly. I'm kidding you. I'm kidding you, Dada.
Are you hungry now?
Mm-hmm.
You want some yum yums?
Let me put it right down my butt.
Okay. All right. Let's put the French toast on your plate.
I can fix it, Dada.
Okay. Let's turn this around. I'm gonna put the French toast on your plate.
Let me fix it. This.
Look at
And
that.
blueberries.
Oh.
Let me fix it my blueberries.
There you go. You have some yummy breakfast.
Let me fix my
And then what we're gonna do? We're gonna put some syrup, right?
syrup. Oh, I can help you, Dada. My syrup. I can help you, Dada.
Oh,
My
hold
syrup.
on. I will help.
I can help.
Okay.
I can help 2 minutes, and I not give it to Mama. Oh, I'm gonna Dada.
Here,
And
let's put some syrup. Ready?
I
Should I put some over here?
fix it.
Okay,
It's
here.
moving.
Here. Look at all of that syrup going on your French toast. Okay, that's enough, right?
That's enough, Dada.
Okay. All right. You want to say bye-bye and gonna go eat now?
Yes.
Say bye-bye. See you next
Bye-bye.
time.
See you next time, Dada.
Okay, we'll cook
next
again.
time.